Let's learn to make Willow Square in 10 minutes. Look how beautiful these Willow Squares turned out. They're versatile, elegant, and surprisingly easy to make. Use them to create cozy blankets, beautiful cushion covers, stylish bags, or even crochet garments. Let's start. Chain 4 and join to form a circle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's join to form a circle. And here we have a small circle. Chain 3 and 15 double crochet into the ring. Here we have our first round, 16 double crochets. Let's join with slip stitch. Round 2, chain 3, double crochet into next stitch and chain 1. Repeat around 16 times. Double crochet into next stitch. And chain 1. Repeat around 16 times. Here we have our round 2. Let's join with a slip stitch. Oh. Chain 3 for next round. Here we have our second round. Round 3, chain 3, 2 double crochet into space. One DC and next chain 1 space. Repeat 16 times. Here we have our round 3. Last 2 DC in space and 1 DC in stitch. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1 for next round. Round 4, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2. Single crochet, third stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, 1, 2. Single crochet into third stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 2. Single crochet third stitch. Repeat 5, 3, 4, 3 around. Willow loops should look like this. Chain 3 for next round. Round 5, 4 double crochet. Chain 2. 5 double crochet in same loop. Single crochet in next loop. Seven double crochets into next loop. Let's repeat same 5 chain 2 5 DC for corners and 7 DC in middle. Here's our fourth round. Round 6, chain 2 and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet into the corner loop. Chain 2 then. Single crochet in same loop. Chain 4. Double crochet in the deep space. Chain 3. Single crochet in fourth stitch. Chain 3. Double crochet in the deep space and chain 4. Repeat around. Let's join. Skip 2 chains from the start stitches. and slip stitch into third stitch. Round 7. Chain 2, 4 double crochet in loop. In the corner loop, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in same loop. 1, 2, and 3. Here we have our corner. 5 double crochet in next loop. 3 double crochet in next 2 spaces. Repeat around. And another round of DC for border.